Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. For today's video, we'll teach you a few methods on how to use split screen on Windows 10. So let's get started. To start split screening, open a browser. Let's say Google. Then you need to click and hold on the title bar of the window to snap, and then drag it to the left or right edge till the mouse cursor cannot be seen anymore. Once the window stops moving and shows an outline of the window, you may now release the mouse cursor. You'll notice that the window is now pinned to this side of the screen. As you can see, on the left side, other active windows are being shown. Now click on any of these active windows to snap them into that half of the screen. Another method to get a split screen window is through the use of a keyboard shortcut, Windows button plus arrow. For example, what I'm going to do here is to press the Windows icon plus the right button. And there you have it. The window will now automatically take that half of the screen. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.